Perfect.
So next thing to do is now we're nice and tight in there, we're just going to take these edges, just a few little pointers which I'd like to put in here. And that is, do not try and take too much at once. If you try and do that round the corner, you're not going to be able to bend it. You're not going to get a good joint. So what I tend to do is cut a piece of tape. That means it's more manageable. Going to take the backing off. Easier said than done. Now you'll notice when I'm doing this, how all my fixing points, all my nails are getting covered by the processor thing we take on. Don't worry about that gap. I'm going to show you about it as a no. It's again, making sure that it's got good contact. Don't worry about the outside edge. The outside potentially is going to be the outside of the belt. We go to use a different tape. When it comes to using tapes, as we've said, use the correct tape for the correct position. Inside tape for inside, outside tape for outside edge. So that's something which you're going to take care of in a little while. You'll notice the fixings again are right to that edge. So that means that it's going to get covered instantly just by taping. What I'm going to do now is, again, we're trying to make sure that corner's really tight. There's a little thing I learned a long time ago of how to get that tight. It's quite easy. You just have to cut yourself a little piece of tape, a couple of inches long. Now, when I peel the back part, I peel it as a triangle. Fold that round and in half. I fold that right into that corner, making sure it's got a really good hold. When I pull the back off, then when I pull this down over the corner, what that does is that brings that tape really tight into that corner as far as it can. So what we've got is we've got a really tight corner in there. If we wish to, we're not happy, we can always cut another piece, short bit over there, and do the reverse. Then that way we'll end up with a nice square tight corner. I tend not to put too many layers of tape, because more layers of tape, potentially the easier the joint could break down when we do the vacuum test on the airtightness test. And also, if you're counterbattening, which we will do, you're potentially putting a kink or a crease in somewhere, but you can do that. So, fixings are all covered by the taping process. Make sure the air's out. Make sure that's nice and tight in the corner.